Have you ever wondered how to get the H4 header on your Squarespace site? In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to get the H4 header using custom CSS coding on your Squarespace site. Hi there, I'm Emilie from Emilie Grace Science, and I help creative entrepreneurs turn their brand identity visions into reality. So let's hop over to the computer and I'm going to show you how to get that custom CSS code so you can have that H4 header on your Squarespace site. Welcome back to my screen. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a new header, create a new header in Squarespace using custom CSS code. To do that, you want to go to your home page where you log into your Squarespace account, and you want to go to Design, Custom CSS. Let's open this code window editor. We'll go all the way down. Press enter a couple times. And here we want to determine that is an H4 header. And we'll use the open bracket using to do so that squiggly open bracket sign. You want to use shift and the open bracket key. Press enter on that. Now we want to determine the family font or the type of font that you want. So in the code you want to say write in family font. And in this example I'm going to use the Helvetica family font. So and to start another line, you want to close this line code by pressing the colon or the comma with a dot like that, so that the code will work properly. Now we want to determine the size of the font that we need. And in this case, we need 16 pixels. That's the size I determined for the new header. And when you want to know the size, you always have to use in pixel size and not in inches. Now, for the code to work, we need to also determine what color the font will be. And in this example, I'm going to use a gray color. And to determine a color for the code, you need to know the hex code of your color that you want to use for your font. I have in the description down below, I have linked a couple of websites so it can help you find what the hex code of the color that you want to use in your headers. You see how I did not do the brackets and it didn't work? You need the colon there, or the comma. Now we know we need to determine if we want it uppercase, lowercase. So we would need to use to type in text transform colon, and I'm going to use uppercase for this example. Now we want to know the spacing between each letter, how far apart you want them to be. Dot 3 EM. EM just tells the code how much of a distance you want between each letters. And that's how we'll close this code by keeping this code there. We'll say save. We'll test this out in the blog post. press apply. And as you can see, the code determined that it was dark gray and uppercase. And this is how it's going to look. There we go. And that's how you create your new header by using custom CSS code. If you have any questions about custom CSS code and how to edit your new header, please feel free to comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you and have a wonderful day.